Okay, here we have an indefinite integral in which it's involving trig, and we're going to use some u-sub. So what are we going to set u equal to? First of all, let me read the problem. It's the indefinite integral of the tangent of x cubed times the secant squared of x dx. So what do I set u equal to? Well, if I set the u equal to the secant, well, the derivative of the secant of x is the secant times the tangent of x. And whereas I have three tangents here, tangent cubed, and I have one secant, but I still have tangent squared secant left over, so that wouldn't work. I guess I could set it equal to secant squared, but that kind of gives a similar problem. So really, I guess just use the rule of thumb and look in the composition, and it's kind of spelled out for you here that how tangent to the third is written. And a lot of times it'll be written, right here. So, be aware of that if you don't see it written this way. So we're going to let u equal the tangent of x, and therefore du will equal the derivative of the tangent of x is the secant squared of x dx. And that's exactly what we wanted to happen, because there's a secant squared x dx right there. So we're going to solve for dx, so that's du over secant squared of x equals dx. So now we'll make our substitution. Tangent of x is now u, so we have u cubed, secant squared of x, and then dx is du over the secant squared of x. And so secant squared over secant squared just goes away. Rewrite that. So we're just going to be integrating u cubed du. So we'll raise u by a power of 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. Put it over the new power. Plus c. Now we'll sub back in for u. I like to put my fractions out in front. It's just me. U is the tangent of x. And now to the fourth power plus c. So we're finished.